Good morning. In this video session, I'm going to explain about uh, how to write a program or a algorithm for a plane, a simple plane. So this is x, y, and z. This is the coordinate space. In this space, you have to generate a plane between 4 points. That is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, x4, y4, z4. So you are given 4 points, and between these points you are trying to generate a plane. That means you are trying to find out the x, y, and z coordinates. So from now onwards, in a series of video sessions, I will be explaining about how to generate different types of planes in a Euclidean space in a parametric and non-parametric form of equations. So with the help of these video sessions, you can easily write a computer program to generate such particular surfaces. Now, the topic for today's video session is simple plane surface. Simple plane surface. So now to understand this particular, you have to generate several points between x1, y1, z1 to x4, y4, z4, and also several points between x2, y2, z2 to x3, y3, z3. So after generation of one point here and another point here, find out different types of lines, different points in each point. So this is xa and ya, for example, xa, ya, za. This is xb, yb, zb. So from these 2 points, you are trying to generate different coordinates so that you can find out x, y, z for entire plane. So first of all, read x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, x4, y4, z4. So there are 4 coordinates. Now u is equal to 0, du is equal to 1 by 200, v is equal to 0, dv is equal to 1 by 200. So this particular program or algorithm can be written in 2 loops. So for example, for u is equal to 0, u less than or equal to 1, u is equal to u plus d. This is one for loop, you can say. Now, you have to find out xa, ya here, xb, yb, xa, ya, z here, xb, yb, z here. So here, xa is equal to x1 plus u into x4 minus x1. Ya is equal to y1 plus u into y4 minus y1. Za is equal to z1 plus u into z4 minus z1. So you have got one point over here. Similarly, you find out xb. xb is equal to x2 plus u into x3 minus x2. yb is equal to y2 plus u into y3 minus y2. zb is equal to y3 plus u into z3 minus z2. So I have found a point over here and another point over here. In the for next for loop, next point of for loop, this u will be incremented and next two points will be identified. Now once you identify these two points, this point and this point, now you have to generate several points between these two points. So here in this direction I am incrementing u, in this direction I am incrementing v. So I am writing another for loop. Y is equal to, for y is equal to, v is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, v less than or equal to 1, v is equal to v plus dv. Okay. Now you have to find out a point between this and this, 2 points, and we have to complete it. Now what I am saying, x is equal to xa plus b into xb minus xa, y is equal to ya plus v into yb minus ya, z is equal to za plus v into zb minus za. So I have found out one point over here. Now plot x, y and z. So I am determining a point in the plane and I am plotting that. So here you have started a for loop, and you are going to end this particular for loop. So repeatedly v will be incremented. From v incremented from 0 to 1. In the next iteration, u will be incremented and u xa ya yb will be y z will be determined, xb yb z will be determined, and then in the v from 0 to 1, the next points will be determined and plotted. So in this way, you can generate a simple plane between any 4 points. So with the help of this particular video session, you can just simplify generate a surface within 5 minutes in the computer. So this is what I would like to discuss in this video session. Thank you for watching the video session.